Hi guys. Now in today's video we'll be understanding what do you mean by data type. Data type describe type of data. So right, that's why they are data type. Basically speaking, when it comes to data type, we have few types pertaining to Python precisely. इसमें नेचुरल नंबर के लिए आपके पास है इंट, रियल नंबर के लिए आपके पास है फ्लोट, स्ट्रिंग कैरेक्टर्स के लिए आपके पास है str, ट्रू और फॉल्स के लिए आपके पास है बुल, जिसे बुलियन कहा जाता है, जिसमें दो वैल्यूज आते हैं ट्रू या फॉल्स। सो ओवरऑल अगर बात किया जाए बेसिक डेटा टाइप्स इन पाइथन would be int, float, string, true and false, boolean. But sir, we know that when it comes to Python is dynamic caster, यानी कि आप डेटा दोगे उस हिसाब से डेटा टाइप लेगा। हाँ, बट ये डेटा टाइप लेगा कौन सा? These are the basic data type. Apart from this, we also have complicated data type, जिसे हम लोग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स कहते हैं। तो अगर डेटा टाइप में ही कवर करूं, डेटा टाइप का कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्जन है डेटा स्ट्रक्चर। तो अब आगे समझोगे कि डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स में आपके पास है लिस्ट, टपल, डिक्शनरी just written as DICT, and set. This is what we have in terms of data type. This is what we have in terms of data types. We have a natural number called int, real number called float, string called as str, boolean which has a value true or false, t and f capital. फिर complicated data types में आता है data structure, जिसमें आता है list, tuple, dictionary and set. वैसे तो बोलने के लिए इसमें we also put string, but as of now let's understand these are built-in and these are complex built-in data types. When it comes to int, float, string, each of them has its own property and default wise each of them has a value of 0, 0.0, null and false. These are default values when it comes to data type. How they can use, how they will be used up ahead in coming lectures. But more than that, this is the basic data types. What does a data type do is it defines type of data a variable can store. Sir, if Python is dynamic casted, whatever I give, data type would depend on that, right? How would I know? Okay, that is a command. Remember this, everybody. PYPE followed by the variable or the value. Depending on variable or the value, type will return data type. For instance, if I say INTA 10, it is Python. You just don't say int, just write A10. And when I ask you type A itself, it will give you int. People who are wondering, sir, why you are using hashtag? This is not Instagram. Instagram nahi hai, sir. In Python, single line comments are given with hash. Multiple line comments are given with 3 quotes. फिर जितना lines आपको लिखना है, 3 quotes close. So this is a single line comment. This is a multi-line comment. This is a type command जिसका use बहुत simple सा है, वो आपको return करता है data type of a given variable. So this is what we have in terms of data types in Python. Hope people are clear.
To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.